Most people aren't broke because they don't earn enough. They're broke because life hits faster than their wallet can react. A flat tire, a medical bill, a broken phone, one surprise expense, and suddenly the budget crumbles. That's the danger of living without an emergency fund. It's not just about money, it's about peace of mind, control, and freedom from panic when the unexpected happens. Think about it. The real difference between stress and security is often just a few months' worth of savings. Yet building that safety net feels impossible for so many. The truth? You can create one faster than you think, even on a tight income. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build an emergency fund quickly, without feeling like you're cutting your life in half. 1. Understand what an emergency fund really is and what it's not. An emergency fund is not just some spare cash sitting around. It's your financial safety net, the money that protects you when life throws unexpected problems your way. Think of it as a quiet shield, waiting in the background to save you from panic. It's not meant for shopping, dining out, or vacations. It's for real emergencies, car repairs, medical bills, sudden job loss, or urgent home expenses. Having that fund gives you control over your life instead of fear. Without it, one small crisis can push you into debt. With it, you can handle surprises calmly and confidently. It's more than money, it's peace of mind. It lets you breathe when others are stressed. So before you start saving, understand what this fund truly means. It's your backup plan, your stress reliever, your personal insurance against chaos. Once you see it that way, building it becomes a mission you'll never regret starting. 2. Know the exact amount you need. Not a random number, saving feels easier when you have a clear goal. Many people say, I'll save what's left at the end of the month, but that rarely works. You need to know exactly what you're aiming for. Forget giant, scary numbers like $10,000. Start small and smart. Your first goal is $500, just enough to cover basic emergencies. Once that's done, aim for 1 month of living costs, then grow it to 3 months. Each step gives you confidence and momentum. When you write your goal down and see progress, your motivation rises. Suddenly, saving becomes a challenge, not a chore. Remember, it's about steady growth, not instant success. You're building a safety net, one piece at a time. And once you reach that 3-month mark, you'll feel powerful knowing that you can face sudden problems without borrowing or panicking. Having a clear, realistic target turns saving into something exciting and totally achievable. 3. Audit your spending. Find hidden cash without feeling poor. You might already have the money to start saving. It's just hiding in your spending. Look at your last 30 days of expenses. You'll probably spot patterns that surprise you. Maybe you're paying for unused subscriptions, buying too many snacks, or ordering food delivery more than you realize. These small leaks quietly eat your income. But here's the good news. You don't have to cut out everything fun. Just remove what doesn't really add value to your life. Cancel one thing you don't use and move that money into your emergency fund. Even $5 a day becomes $150 a month. That's progress without pain. Think of it like trimming the unnecessary weight from your wallet. You're not depriving yourself. You're freeing up cash for something that truly matters, your future security. When you start noticing those savings grow, it'll feel rewarding. You'll realize that your emergency fund was never out of reach. It was right there waiting to be found. 4. Create a money magnet account, separate and sacred. Keeping your emergency fund in the same account as your spending money is a trap. It's too easy to accidentally dip into it. To fix that, create a separate savings account just for your emergency fund. Think of it as a vault for your peace of mind. Give it a strong name like Freedom Fund or Safety Net. This small step makes a huge mental difference. You'll start seeing it as something special, not just extra money. Choose an account that isn't linked to your debit card or takes a day or two to withdraw from. That delay gives you time to think before spending. And every time you check the balance and see it grow, you'll feel proud. It becomes motivation to keep adding more. Treat this fund as untouchable unless it's a real emergency. By separating it, you protect it. It's your personal shield, quietly building strength for your future. 5. Automate your savings. Make it boring and unstoppable. The best way to save consistently is to make it automatic. When you depend on willpower, you'll always find reasons to skip saving. That's why automation is powerful. It removes the choice. Set up an automatic transfer from your main account to your emergency fund every payday. Even $20 a week makes a difference. You won't even notice it's gone, but your savings will keep growing. Treat this transfer like paying an important bill, because it is. You're paying your future self first. Over time, these small automatic moves add up quietly. You'll wake up one day and realize you've built something amazing without stress or struggle. Automation turns saving into a habit you never have to think about. It's simple, steady, and foolproof. Once you set it up, forget about it and let time and consistency do their magic. The easiest savings plan is the one that runs on autopilot. 6. Boost your savings speed. Earn more, not just save more. Cutting expenses helps, but earning extra money speeds everything up. Think of ways to add small bursts of income. You could sell unused clothes, gadgets, or furniture online. Offer a simple service, babysitting, dog walking, tutoring, or freelance work. Even earning $50 or $100 a week can change your timeline completely. Instead of waiting months to hit your goal, you'll reach it in weeks. And it feels great to see your progress move faster. You can also use your skills or hobbies. Maybe you cook, draw, write, or fix things. Turn that into side cash. It's not about overworking, it's about being creative and resourceful. Set a mini challenge. How can I earn $100 this week? You'll start noticing opportunities everywhere. Each extra dollar adds strength to your safety net. And the more you earn, the faster you'll build the fund that protects your peace, your freedom, and your future. 7. Protect and rebuild. The final rule. Most people forget building an emergency fund isn't the end. It's a habit. Eventually, something will happen, and you'll need to use that money. That's okay, that's the reason you built it. The important part is what comes next, rebuilding it. After using part of your fund, start refilling it immediately, even with small amounts. Treat it like recharging a battery. It keeps your protection strong. Avoid touching it for anything that isn't a true emergency. Ask yourself, will this expense seriously affect my life if I don't pay it now? If the answer is no, keep your hands off the fund. Over time, protecting your emergency savings becomes natural. You'll feel calm knowing you're ready for anything. And once you experience that feeling, real financial peace, you'll never want to live without it again. That's the moment you know you've taken control. You're no longer living paycheck to paycheck. You're living prepared, confident, and secure. Thank you for watching. Building an emergency fund isn't just about saving money. It's about building peace of mind, freedom, and confidence for the future. Remember the steps. Start small, set clear goals, spend wisely, automate your savings, and protect what you build. Every little action today moves you closer to financial security tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. It really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, practical tips on money, mindset, and smart living. Stay tuned. There's plenty more valuable insight coming your way soon.